Hey there mga my love Pisces! Thank you so much sa patuloy at wala ninyong sawa na pagsuporte sa akin dito sa channel na to. So bago natin simulan ang reading ninyo mga babes, reminders muna tayo na hindi po all of you ay makaka-resonate. Kaya naman, piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might be really for you. And syempre, wala tayong gender here. So, by lalaki LGBT cross-watchers, you're also welcome here. You can flip roles if you want. So yeah, let's do this and let's take a look at your energy. So yeah, let's see what do we have here for you guys. Umpisa na ng 2024, no? So tingnan natin, ano bang energy ninyo? Spirits and angel guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Can we please have messages for Pisces? This is for my Piscean people. Can you please show us? This is for Pisces. Pisces, may nakikita akong tagumpay for you guys. Tagumpay na may kinalaman sa pera. Yung iba doesn't have to be na it's something big agad. Pero nakita ko na may magandang balita rito magpapangiti sa inyo. So, maaring ito ay may kinalaman sa inyong money. Wow! No? So, maaring makareceive kayo ng mga gift certificates or may pa-voucher dyan. Yung mga ganyan. Nung papangiti kayo rito. Yan, nakukuha ko dyan. Ayan. So, maaaring may makarecognize or may makapansin, Pisces, no? Sa inyong job well done at maaaring bigyan kayo ng little present yan, no? May changes. Yung iba naman doesn't have to be na alam mo yung changes na yun. May success rito, maaaring masimula na or nagsisimula nang mapansin ka ng iyong boss. Yan. Yung iba na may selling dyan, no? Kung ano man yan, live selling, online selling, o kung ano man yan sinisell ninyo, okay? I think, okay, use other platforms, no, for you to be able na maximize dito, no, ang inyong binibenta. Kasi it looks like your spirits and angel guys are telling you na ilagay mo sa online yung business mo kung hindi mo pa na-try yan ever. And if this is yun na nasa online na yan, I'm seeing you na mapapansin pa yan ng mas maraming consumers, buyers, at customers right here. So, tingnan natin. Wow, no? So, tingnan natin rito, Pisces. No? See? Celebration. Meron talaga dito magpapangiti at magpapatuwa, magpapagalak sa inyo, no? And it's a call for success. So, nakikita ko dito, Pisces, no? Na ikaw ay magse-celebrate together with your friends, family members, soul tribe, barkada, tropa, kills, no? At kung sino-sino pa, no? Yung iba, pwedeng kasama nyo dito yung loved ones nyo, special person, no? Crush, boyfriend, girlfriend, asawa, bala kayo. Pero meron ditong success when it comes to your pera. Hinikita ko dito. Dito talaga ay pera. Meron talaga dito magbubunga. Yan, no? Nagkalat yung mga, mga fruits, no, sa lapag. So, ibig sabihin, meron ditong success na pwedeng umpisa na yan, okay, ng mala fairy tale mo dito. Yeah, I'm getting that. When I say mala fairy tale, ibig sabihin, umpisa na ito ng something magical na mangyayari sa pera mo. So, hindi yan mawawala yung pera mo na parang magic. Kundi ibig ko sabihin something magical right here. Like, this is something here that you do not see coming. Unexpected din ito, pero it's about to happen here. Okay, as long as money situation is involved. Ang ganda, no? So, maaaring may gawin ka rito, no, na akala mo, hindi mo masyadong in-effortan. Yan, no? Or ikaw to na hindi ka naman nakaramdam ng pressure at all doon, pero sa'yo pala mga babes, no, ang mapipili kung yan man ay isang proyekto or yan ay business related or may sarili kang business, just take how this resonates but there's success here. Bongga, no, sumari man libre ka dyan ng soft drink. See? Work, 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 work. Yan ang mga babes sa Three of Pentacles energy right at the middle of this reading. I'm strongly getting right here na pera yan, no? At yung iba nakatungtong rito sa mahabang upuan, no, na, ayan, no, yung upuan na yan, hindi yan yung upuan sa kanto kung saan may nagiinuman. Ibig sabihin yan, no, may pag-level up, sabi ko sa inyo, unti-unti na rito nang papansin kayo rito. Man-notice na rito, no, yung kakayahan ninyo na kayo pala ay deserving at qualified sa designation or sa trabaho niyan. Lalo na yung mga nagta-target at nagbo-bullseye dyan ng higher position or higher designation. Yung iba naman, no, kung gusto ninyo na i-expand yung business ninyo. Oras na, no? Mangyayari na to mga babes. I'm seeing you right here receiving some kind of a blessing regarding at may kinalaman sa inyong money. So, pera, pera, pera is coming. Taray, Pisces. No, ganda niyan kasi kakapasok ng 2024, no? Tapos, pera, pera agad, no? Kumbaga sa hamburger, no? Unang kagat, syempre nadali nyo na yung patty. Dito pera agad. Ang bongga, see? The magician is right here, see? This is what you're manifesting with actions, no? Ibig sabihin, matagal mo nang gustong mangyari tong changes na to na may kinalaman sa kaperahan mo. And it's happening. It's gonna happen right here. You're manifesting this stability, infinity sign sa bumbunan mo. So, ibig sabihin, this is something here na hindi na mawawala, magsistay, permanente. This is the job na magiging permanent na sa'yo. This is that salary right here, no, na sa'yo na yan at nakikita ko na mas ima-maximize mo pa yan. So, nakikita ko rito na kung ano man itong minamanifest mo, pwedeng both na may business ka or work or yung iba, no, business lang, tas dito work and seeing, no, na magiging successful ka. Money is coming and make use of 2024 because there's a sign right here like your angels and guardians right here are telling you, Pisces, okay, that it's time for you to maximize your 2024 because this is a great year for you to be able to gather or make salo, no, with your malaking payong na naka-invert, no, ang blessings na malalaglag sa kalangitan. It's like this 2024 manifest together with actions right here, money. Yan, no? So, kung ano man yung good news na yan, parating na yan. At nakikita ko rito na dapat mo yung pagpukusan at bigyan ng atensyon right here kasi yan ay dadami. Yan, no? Bongga, guys, no? And also, we have here this, see opportunities yan, no? Kita ko rito. See? Good news, page of one's energy. Yung good news na yan, emotional yan. Ibig sabihin ko ano yan, magiging happy ka talaga dyan, no? At may kinalaman pa yan sa pera. Parang naramdaman mo dyan, ito na yung katuparan ng mga kahilingan mo, na ito na yung simula ng pagtupad ng mga pangarap mo. Yun, emotional yan eh. No? Yung parang, alam mo yung ito nakukuha ko rito bigyan ko example. Yung parang ganito. Yung feeling na nanalo ka sa raffle, no, nang hindi mo na-expect, di ba? Parang, hello, ito po ba si Pisces? Yes po. Pisces, huwag ka mabibigla Nanalo ka ng isang, yan, di ba? Yung ganong feeling, no? Parang, nanalo ako dyan. Yan, no? Parang ikaw to, totoo ba yan? Ano ba, pakidigta nga yung address ko, tsaka yung yung number ko dyan, baka ganong feeling, no? You will be so emotional right here. Naku, ang tagal ko nang inaabangan yan. Naku, thank you po talaga. Thank you, universe. Thank you, Lord. Nakuha na ako dito. This is it na talaga. So, nakikiwa. Yun ang nakukuha ko dito, no? Plus, alam mo, maglalabasan na rito yung mga, sabi ko sa'yo, umpisa lang yun yung pangiti-ngiti mo kanina, no, na may nakakapansin na ng ginagawa mong trabaho, no, business man yan or company, no, diyan na magsisipasukan rito yung maraming customers, no. This is also online. So, whatever the case may be, your spirits and angel guys are telling you to put it online so that you will get more celebratory events, no? It's like a turn of events right here. Yan, mas makikilala yung sinesell mong product, items, no? Or ikaw to, nakikita kita dito na makakakuha ka ng mga business partnerships, no? At ikaw to nakikita ko if you're working in a company right here, I'm seeing you connecting here. Pwedeng ikaw yung gawing representative ng company mo and I'm seeing that you will do, okay, a very good job right here. Whether that's task na iaatang sa'yo, I'm seeing you achieving here success. Umpisa na yan. See? World card together with the magician. Are you just kidding me? Umpisa na to ng panibagong mundo na nagbubukas rito na may kinalaman sa kaperahan mo. Puro pera-pera tayo rito mga babes. Hindi ko sinasabi mo kayong pera Pisces. Pera talaga yung nakikita ko rito. Pera is coming sa inyo, no? Matapos dumating ni Santa sa inyo, no? Whether you're naughty or nice, money is coming naman after Santa Claus. Woohoo! Wow! No? Ang bongga na ito, Pisces. Hindi ko alam kung ano ginagawa niyo dito, guys, no? Pero nagpo-focus kayo rito. Alam nyo kasi, you also have this kind of same energy with the Taurus, no? Super focus kayo when it comes to work. Okay? Kasi nakita ko yung bull sa aking mind. Doesn't have to be that you're dealing with Taurus, pero pwede. Pero ibig sabihin nun, most likely in general, this is you, no? Na ini-embodies mo ang katangian ng isang Taurus. So, pagdating sa kaperahan, focus na focus sa trabaho, sa business, no? Hindi nagpapabaya dito. Yan. You value, okay, every single coin, every single penny, no? Na alam mong pinaghirapan mo yun. Yan. And at the bottom of the deck, we have here the Eight of Cups energy, Knight of Swords right here, King of Swords, okay, and Ace of Wands. Ace of Cups, wow! Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups right here. I'm sensing that, yeah, Three of Swords energy. I'm sensing that this is you. Okay, a lot of new beginnings right here because you're opening up to the new world here, Pisces. So I do sense that blessings are coming your way and an exciting and very, okay, very soulful na mararamdaman mo talaga nagbabago na yung buhay mo. Like, hindi ka na rito. Like, tapos na, ano, yung mga panahon rito na, na-experience mo yung shortage of finances, yung gusto mo mag-extra rice, pero hindi kaya ng budget mo. No? Tapos na yun because blessings are flowing and exciting turn of events are gonna happen here in your life. And with this one, King of Swords energy, Knight of Swords, I'm seeing you taking action right here. Okay? Yung iba, nakikita ko rito na this is about to happen. It's already around the corner. Okay, if you know what I mean. This is already around the corner for you guys. For others of you, yung iba nangyayari na. For those na hindi pa or wala pa nangyayari in the background pero already around the corner nyo na. Okay, your angels and guardians are wanting you to leave something behind you. Meron kasi rito something toxic na kailangan mo nang iwanan, no? At kung sino siya rito, no, tao siya. Tao yun, no? Siya yung nagpapasakit ng ulo mo rito, no? Siya yung ang daming action pero hindi nag-iisip. Okay, kung sino siya, syempre kilala mo yan, no? Alam mo kung sino yung pangalan niya, sino yung pangalan niya. Alam mo kung ano yung pangalan niya at kung sino siya, no? So, for those people na alam niyo naman sa sarili niyo kung sino, kung may kadilman kayong toxic, you need to release that. I-release niyo yung sarili niyo from that energy. Kasi, itong sinasabi ko rito is already around the corner for you guys. Okay? So, dapat mangyayari na, may nagsimula ng mangyayari behind the scenes or in the background for you. Pero yun nga, natitenga because you're dealing here with someone, no, na yun nga, either pala decision yan, or panay action pero hindi pinag-iisipan. Kilala niyo kung sino yan, okay? Doesn't have to be romantic for others of you, pero you're dealing here, lumalabas siya sa energy nyo. But for some of you guys, nangyayari na at mayroon na rito, parang alam niyo yung parang magic na nangyayari behind the scenes, no? Nag-a-unfold na ito. So, wow. So, expect this to happen anytime soon, mahal, kasi I really love the energy. It's coming. It's about to happen because it's starting already. It's beginning already. So, wow, claim this Pisces right here because I know that you deserve this, mga babes. So, thank you so much. Sarang Love and Light. Ayun.